In this video, I'm reviewing PocketSmith, a powerful personal finance app that's gaining popularity for one big reason. It helps you see into your financial future. Unlike most budgeting apps that only show what you've already spent, PocketSmith focuses on forecasting. That means you can actually plan months or even years ahead to see how your money will look based on your current income, expenses, and financial goals. It's perfect for people who don't just want to manage money, they want to master it. Once you create an account, PocketSmith gives you access to a clean and customizable dashboard. You can connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and loans from over 12,000 financial institutions worldwide. That's right, PocketSmith works not just in the US, but in countries like Canada, Australia, the UK, New Zealand, and beyond. And if your bank isn't supported, you can still manually upload transactions or use the app without syncing accounts. One of the app's standout features is the calendar view. It lets you visually map out your income, bills, and savings goals over time. This makes it much easier to avoid financial surprises and stay on track with your plans. Another unique feature is the cash flow forecasting tool. It allows you to model different financial scenarios, like what happens if you increase your rent, pay off a loan early, or save more each month. You can literally see how those changes will affect your finances months from now. For people with irregular income, like freelancers or small business owners, this level of insight can be a game changer. PocketSmith also supports multiple currencies, which is ideal for anyone who earns or spends money internationally. And you can create as many budgets as you want, tag transactions, categorize spending, and even monitor your net worth over time. Now, let's talk about the downsides. While PocketSmith is feature-rich, it's not the most beginner-friendly app out there. There's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're new to budgeting. The free plan is quite limited. It only gives you manual transaction entry and 12 months of forecast. To unlock full features like automatic bank feeds, unlimited forecasting, and more customization, you'll need a paid plan. Pricing starts at about $9.95 per month, or you can save a bit by choosing an annual plan. Compared to some other budgeting apps, it might seem pricey, but you're paying for depth and forecasting power. So, is PocketSmith worth using? In my opinion, yes, especially if you're serious about taking control of your financial future. If you're the type of person who likes to plan ahead, keep things organized, and understand exactly where your money is going, PocketSmith is one of the best tools out there. It's great for long-term goal setting, debt payoff strategies, and future planning. However, if you're just starting out and want a simpler app, something like Mint or YNAB might be easier to learn at first. Overall, I'd say PocketSmith is ideal for people who want more than just a basic budgeting app. It's for planners, for detail-oriented savers, and for anyone who wants a clear picture of their financial future. If that sounds like you, definitely give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you've used PocketSmith and what your experience has been like. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel,